I've always liked Trello for organizing projects, but when I heard about CRMBLE turning Trello into a lightweight CRM, I had to try it. Could a simple board and card system really compete with full-scale CRMs, or is it just a clever add-on for small teams? After testing it, here's what I found. Trello is already one of the most popular tools for visual project management, and CRMBLE is essentially a power-up that transforms Trello boards into a functioning CRM. Instead of moving away from a platform you already use, CRMBLE layers in customer pipeline features right on top. It's not pretending to be Salesforce or HubSpot, but it doesn't have to. The real draw is simplicity, keeping sales, leads, and customer tracking in the same place your team is already managing tasks. Once installed, CRMBLE adds a sales pipeline template with stages like lead in, contacted, proposal sent, and closed. Each Trello card becomes a potential customer or deal. You can drag and drop cards through the pipeline just like moving tasks across a project board. Inside each card, you get extra fields specific to CRM, like contact info, deal value, expected close date, and notes. It feels very natural if you already live in Trello. CRMBLE also connects with tools like Google Contacts, Outlook, and Zapier. That means you can sync leads from forms, calendars, or email systems without typing everything manually. And because it's built inside Trello, you can still use all your favorite Trello features, labels, checklists, automations, and even integrations like Slack or Google Drive. The biggest win here is accessibility. If you're a freelancer, startup, or small business, you don't have to pay for an expensive CRM or spend weeks training your team. Anyone familiar with Trello can pick up CRMBLE in minutes. It's visual, straightforward, and flexible enough to adapt to your workflow. The dashboard CRMBLE provides gives you a quick snapshot of your pipeline, how many leads are active, their value, and where they are in the sales process. It's not overwhelming, and that's the point. You get just enough to track your deals without drowning in unnecessary features. Another plus is affordability. Since Trello itself has a free tier, pairing it with CRMBLE keeps costs low compared to big-name CRMs. For small teams trying to manage clients without heavy overhead, that's appealing. That said, CRMBLE isn't trying to replace enterprise-grade CRMs. If you need advanced reporting, deep automation, or built-in calling and email tracking, you'll eventually hit limitations. While CRMBLE provides integrations, it doesn't have the all-in-one power of tools like HubSpot or Zoho. Scalability can also be a challenge. For a handful of deals, the Trello board system feels clean and manageable. But once you're dealing with hundreds of leads or multiple sales reps, the board can start to feel cluttered, and reporting may not be strong enough for data-driven teams. Trello with CRMBLE is perfect if you're a small business, consultant, or team that already lives inside Trello and just wants a lightweight visual CRM. It keeps everything in one familiar place, cuts down on learning curves, and gives you just enough structure to stay organized. But if your sales process is more complex or if you expect to grow rapidly, you might outgrow CRMBLE and need to step up to a full CRM. So if you're already using Trello and don't want the hassle of moving into a massive CRM system, CRMBLE might be the simplest way to keep your leads and clients in check. What do you think? Would you trust your sales pipeline to a Trello board? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Would you like me to also prepare a side-by-side comparison script of Trello CRMBLE versus a lightweight CRM like Nutshell or Capsule? That way your audience gets context on when CRMBLE is enough and when a switch makes sense.